Welcome to Help Me Believe, the show about Christian apologetics and theology. My name's Hayden Clark, your host. Travis is out today. He's had a major life event. It's a good thing, so don't be worried about him. Congratulate him, but I'm not going to spoil it for you. Hopefully we'll be able to talk about that in the first episode whenever he comes back. Right now, I did want to make you aware that a little while ago I announced that we were going to start a podcast through Help Me Believe to complement the blog that we've been doing now since January. And I wanted to thank you for your support. If you're watching this, you're a patron supporter, and we really do appreciate it. I wanted to make you aware of a couple of things. We're hoping to start the podcast within a week or two. Like I said, Travis is out right now, and understandably so. You don't understand why, but hopefully soon you will. Whenever he comes back, we will start the podcast, and we're hoping to move towards a weekly format, but we will only get there as we get more support. And so starting out, I don't really know how often we're going to do it. But as we get more support, we will hopefully be moving towards a weekly format. As patron supporters, I wanted to make you aware of a couple of other things. You're already supporting the show, but I did want to make you aware of the benefits that come with that. So if you are supporting us in any way, whether it be right now we have three options, $1 a month, $5 a month, or $10 a month. And maybe we'll have more or change those up as time goes on. But right now, those are the different options. And if you are supporting at least $1 a month, so you will get a bonus podcast, hopefully each month. And you also get early released episodes, so you'll be able to watch the episodes or listen to the podcast before anybody else can through Patreon. Also, and this may be the most important thing, you'll be able to submit questions. We will create forums for you to write in your questions that you may have, and we will address those directly on the show. Now, you can already ask us questions on the blog and other places, but as you may have noticed, there's quite a bit of traffic through the blog and quite a bit of comments, some good, some not so good, and so we don't always address those. But the surest way to get your question answered is a comment here on Patreon, so be sure to do that if you're a supporter, and you are since you're watching this. At the $5 level, you'll get some bonus videos and different things. We'll just try to mix it up and throw some extra things in there for you. At the $10 level, again, as we move towards getting more support, we hope to do more things. One of those things is a live Q&A. So once we get 100 patrons, we will begin a monthly Q&A for those at that level. And like I said, as this goes on, as we get more support, we're already getting a lot of support. That's really great. It's really encouraging for us. We're just doing what we love to do, which is talk about apologetics and theology and write about that and answer any questions that we can. I've certainly asked myself every question I can think of, but if you've got something new for us, we'd love to exercise our thought process some more and see what we can do. See if we can find some answers in God's Word and different things. So thanks so much for your support. The show's going to be starting soon, so get subscribed and all those different things. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.